This is proof of how quickly the road can turn against you. One moment of distraction, one wrong move, and it all ends in a violent collision. Cars moving steadily. Nothing unusual, nothing to worry about. At first, the road seemed ordinary. The dash cam quietly recorded every second of the drive, recording that at first looked boring. But hidden within the calm lies the unexpected. Look closely. Yet small signs begin to appear. The car ahead appears steady, the traffic still under control. And then, in just seconds, everything changes. A strange maneuver, a distance closing too fast. Suddenly, crash! The deafening sound of impact shatters the silence. The car jolts, glass rattles, and in that single moment, panic takes over. The dashcam captures it all, every terrifying detail no one ever wishes to experience. That safety on the road is never to be taken lightly. Did everyone walk away unharmed? Watch until the very end. But what happened after the crash? And this footage stands as a reminder, because every second of this recording will keep your heart racing.